I'm your big cousin Annabelle. I'm going to read you this book called Splash. Let's take a bath and blow a bubble or two. Pop, 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 pop. Rub-a-dub-dub, it's fun in the tub. I love playing with water, don't you? A swim in a pool is really cool. And rainy days are wonderful too. Yay! Happy birthday, Remi! I'm your big cousin Annabelle. Remi, oh Remi, Remi, I love you, baby, 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 Remi, oh Remi, Remi, I love you, baby, 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 Remi, oh Remi, Remi, I love you.